Feel it. It's completely smooth. No sharpness at all.
Yeah, so Alright, we've got these two C-beams bolted together. We brought them inside. We're drilling the holes so that we can connect them here and here to the supports to lift up the power hammer.
No.
The goggles help if you put them on your eyes, Daniel.
I just realized that.
There's nothing coming up because you've gone so fast, and Isaac went so fast that that drill bit is completely smooth. So no matter how fast...
It's completely smooth. No sharpness at all.
Yeah, so... How does that go, Isaac? I am God when I did go.
Oh, my back.
Okay. Your back is immaterial right there. Okay, we've got it lifted. We're about to put the raft under, and let's see how it goes. As you can see, it's working.